Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet Edmonton, located along Stony Plain Road. Today we're checking out a tour of a pre-owned 2023 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT in Summit White exterior. Powered by a V8 engine paired to an automatic transmission, this truck is ready for work, play, or leisure. It has 17-inch alloy wheels. It has body-colored door handles, chrome mirror caps. It's a short box. It also has mud flaps, a black accented grille, and it has remote start and keyless entry and black running boards. At the interior, we have power windows, locks, and mirrors, a power park brake, automatic headlamps, a trailer brake controller. Our steering wheel is leather wrapped and offers a heated steering wheel option, cruise control, and stereo controls on the steering wheel. We have 88,865 kilometers, a nice digital cluster display. We have a push button engine start. We have Google navigation. We've got power trunk release. We have a dual climate control zone, the trailer brake controller, heated seats, air conditioning, and USB ports. We also have a backup camera when shifted to reverse. We've got the black cloth seats with the bench in the middle and a 60-40 split rear seat. At the rear, we have our trailer tow package, our corner step bumpers, LT badging, power lock and release tailgate, and lots of cargo storage with tie-down hooks, cargo bed lighting, and a power adapter. If you have any additional questions about this truck, please don't hesitate to contact our sales team. They'd be happy to assist you and answer any questions that you may have.